and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an update on our GR Yaris. Now we've had this car for over a year and it's no secret that we absolutely love it. We did initially buy this car just for Venturi development, but we love driving the car so much we've kept it and I think it's going to be a keeper. I'll go as far as to say it was the best car purchase of ours last year. The car is completely stock looking. We have had some performance upgrades we can check out in our previous videos and they've really enhanced an already fantastic chassis. We're going to change the look a little bit and we're going to fit a Giacuzzo body kit, and this kit is a complete kit, so it's all the way from the front, side skirts and the rear. If you watched Shmi's video, he had this fitted to his car and I like the look of it, and I thought let's change the look up a little bit and give it a bit more personality. So let's take a look at the kit and then we'll get it fitted and see what the finished product looks like. So we can start with the front lip here. Again, it's very aggressive and I think it's going to suit the lines of the Yaris from the front. As I said, this car already is very aggressive, wide arches, creases everywhere, and with the matte black wrap I've done, it actually does enhance the lines of this car quite a bit. Moving over to the side, we've got a side skirt. There's not much going on here, it just adds a bit of extension to the bottom sill. If we move over to the rear, my favorite part of the kit is probably the wing, because when you look at the Yaris, it does look like it deserves a rear wing, especially with its roots going into WRC Rally, and it finishes off with a 3-piece rear diffuser here. So that's the kit overview. Hash is going to fit this now and we'll take a look once it's all done. So with the Giacuzzo kit fitted, let's take a closer look. Overall, I'm really happy with the way the car looks now with this kit. It's very easy to fit, it uses stock mounting locations where it can, and it fits really well. The front spoiler follows completely the lines of the front bumper, and it even has some reference points to the lines on the hood, which are referenced down here. Moving to the side of the car, again, the side skirts just follow the body line. They're fairly simple, but they just add that little bit more to the car. I don't think this car was actually lacking, but when you now see the parts of the body kit on there, it just makes it more of that rally car feel, which this car has its roots in. Moving over to the back is probably my favorite view, especially the rear spoiler. It fits really well with the car, and when you looked at this car, it did look like it was missing a spoiler because it slopes off so much towards the back here. It just lifts the car up. It almost looks like a little dinky radio control car, which I don't mind at all. And again, the rear diffuser fits very, very well with the car. Just follows the lines around the side of the bumper here, and this middle diffuser carries on with the fins of the stock diffuser here. So overall, really, really happy with the look of the car with the Giacuzzo kit. It's actually very reasonably priced as well. So the whole kit is £1,330, and it doesn't take long to fit whatsoever. So overall, I think it's quite a bargain of a modification. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.